Hey guys, today we're going to talk about 5 reasons why I do not believe we're going to have another crash anytime soon like the one we did in 2006. Stay tuned. Guys, number one is the banks. The last recession was too recent. They're still the same executives, some of them that were there from 2006, now in 2022. So they still remember that they kicked themselves in the butt by offloading too many properties too quick. So that's going to still be relevant. It's going to be on their minds. They're going to be willing to work with borrowers more than ever. That's reason number one. And reason number two is people are more empowered than ever to be able to pass through with this being a gig economy. Can you imagine if you could catch up half of your payment that you were behind back in 2006 by Ubering or renting your car on the weekends or renting your lawnmower or selling your stuff in marketplace? There's so many ways right now for you to find that extra dollar to catch up in case that you get behind, right? Last but not least, you could do Airbnb and VRBO. Imagine if you had the capability back then to rent rooms. Probably we would have saved millions of properties back in 2006. Number three is the flow of information and education. There's a ton of people that have made mistakes that are out there explaining to you how to avoid those mistakes. There's a lot of people that have gone through this recession, so there's more information than ever to help you maneuver through the ups and downs, things that we didn't have in 2006. Four is that real estate is becoming a true global product, and you have more potential buyers than ever. And it's not no longer the people that are in your neighborhood or your backyard. There's actually people from all over the world with products that cater those investors for national lending. That makes it even harder for real estate to stop long-term gaining appreciation. Number five, and one of the main reasons why I believe we had a recession in 2006 is the short-term loans, okay? You were doing ARM loans, ARM meaning only 3 years or less. And then it was like the perfect storm the minute that, you had a good paying tenant, you wanted to keep the house, you didn't care about the value, or you adore your property, you couldn't care less, it was a long-term investment. What really hurt you is when that 3-year loan was due, and all of a sudden your value was 50% down. Now you couldn't refinance and you got stuck. I would say 90% of the cases, that's what happened. Okay, the banks got greedy and said, "Give me the property back," and there was nothing else to do. But I'm happy to report that those loans are no longer available. Okay, those loans were not available in the past 10, 15 years. So most people have the regular term, 15, 30 years. So that's not a problem nowadays. So that's why I believe as long as you do a stress test to your property, you're gonna be okay. Bonus reason why I do not believe we'll have another recession like 2006 is also because there's many more ways to improve the usage and return on your property nowadays that there were in 2006. When you think about it, not only you can rent your property as a home, now you could also rent your property as a hotel when you think about short-term rentals like Airbnb, VRBO, corporate rentals. So there's more options than ever to do with your property. So that's another bonus reason why I believe we will not have a recession anytime soon. Finally, I was totally wrong. We do get a recession tomorrow. Prices start dropping. Is it a big deal? The end of the world? No. Okay, you have a secure loan. You did a stress test on your property, meaning that even if the payment goes down a little bit on your rent because the demand is not there anymore, your mortgage is low enough because you were smarter enough to do that, to stress test your mortgage payment and keep it low. Okay, so nothing to worry about. Okay, lose value, who cares? This is a long-term play, so it doesn't matter. So what are you scared of? Okay, these are the stats. Okay, 2006, even if you would have invested in the worst moment in 2006, right on the cliff, when you compare it now to today's value, you will still be up about 30%. And if you have the right type of term loan where you're paying actual principal, it would have been 15 years of principal already paid. So you'll be ahead no matter what. Today's winners are those losers in 2006. Those people that we say, wow, you bought so high. What are you doing? Are the people that are double killing it now because they held on to their properties. They were brave enough to hold on to them until now, and they're killing it. I'm getting calls from millionaires that became millionaires by sticking to the plan long term. Last but not least, remember, this is Jorge Vasquez, CEO of Graystone Investment Group, where you invest and we manage the rest. We're here for you. Been doing it for 20 years. We've done at least 3,000 transactions. We have 60 agents in Tampa, anywhere from Jacksonville to Boca, Tampa, Orlando. We do property management as well. So we're here for you. Anything you need, we're a phone call away, an email away. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here. Thank you.